cinnamon rolls. And here's our ingredients. We have butter, active dry yeast, an egg, milk, sour cream, then we have flour, then we have brown sugar and white sugar. And then we have nutmeg, cinnamon, and homemade vanilla. Let's put it together and see what happens. Now we're gonna put the 2¼ teaspoons of yeast into a bowl, and then we're gonna put 1/2 cup of warm milk into that same bowl, like this. Then we're gonna put a teaspoon of cinnamon into here, a bowl of flour, like this. There. This flour is 425 grams of flour. Now we're gonna put the nutmeg in. There. Now we're gonna stir it. Now we're gonna add the liquid ingredients, which is this, and then the milk and the yeast, and then the sour cream, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, and then an egg, and then some butter. Okay. We're gonna add just a tiny bit like that. There. Now we're gonna add the active dry yeast and the milk slowly. We're gonna add the sour cream. There. Now we're gonna add the egg. Okay. Now we're gonna wash our hands. So whisk it up and add the butter. Looks like that sour cream, but a little bit darker. But it tastes different. Then we're gonna add the butter. All of the butter. 6 tablespoons of butter. So most of the butter is melted, but if there's still a little bit of chunks, that's okay. Then we're gonna make a hole like we did with the Japanese milk bread. It's okay if you still have a little flour at the bottom, but now you're gonna put the liquid into the bowl. There, like that, like a volcano. Now I'm gonna mix it. This is called folding. So this is how you fold. You put it under and then you scoop it over. Put it under and you scoop it over. Put it under, then you scoop it over. It's kind of doughy. So that's good. Now once the dry and wet ingredients are all together, we can squish it like that. So we're trying to get the flour all together with this doughy thing. Doughy blob of sweetness. Yummy. Now we're going to put some flour on the counter, like a handful. Now let's put the sticky dough ball onto the flour like that. So we're going to flatten it and then fold it back. Flatten it and then fold it back. Flatten it and then fold it back. Flatten it. Now push it like that and then fold it back, then do that. Fold it back, do that. Now once we have a smooth, firm dough or bun, we're gonna pick it up and then plop it in there like that. Now we're gonna put a napkin or saran wrap over it and let it rise for 2 hours. Why 2 hours? Because it's different than other breads and it takes longer. The butter, the egg, and the milk makes the dough take longer.